certains responsables d'entreprises françaises pour un peu leur dire qu'elles sont donc un gros élément.
Et donc, 3 secondes. 3, 2, 1. Stop action.
The diplomatic officer is being escorted. And now that the intervention by the GIGN has been carried out successfully, resolution sensors for persistent overwatch and target acquisition. It can also be configured for casualty movement. So that's allowed it to have a good look at the Taurus. Now, have a look on the screens as Bronco moves into soft terrain. Note how and it can handle very steep gradients, as we're going to see in a few seconds. Yes. And also side slopes, as we're seeing, trench crossings and confined terrain, keeping both crew protected and mission momentum intact. On the screens, have a look on the screen. Its lineage includes the Warthog variant. This was used by the British Army in Afghanistan, where extensive operational use demonstrated strong survivability under real-world conditions. Its mission, as we can see, is to go where conventional 4x4s can't. Now, as you can see, as the vehicle is on the hill, it's a smallish vehicle. It's compact enough to be airdropped from the A400M or C-130 and sling-loaded under a helicopter. The rider is deliberately rugged. No electronic devices, no failure that cannot be repaired, close to the field, and that's a choice, the choice of availability. Defence group from Canada. That's a very impressive display of the vehicle's manoeuvrability. It's a purpose-built military platform developed by Inkas on KNDS Mobility's Celeris platform. New generation T750 axles. Now they've got independent suspensions from KNDS Mobility. Thanks to its mission equipment and its superior mobility, the M1 uses the terrain at its full advantage to outplay the enemy. Ladies and gentlemen, the M1 has come under enemy fire. The Wolfpack concept involved 2 unmanned ground vehicles working in coordinated formation under a single operator, enhancing efficiency and mission effectiveness. The system's modular design acts as a force multiplier, improving maneuverability and control. It can be operated locally. Ranger turret will be demonstrating its versatility, shifting instantly from aerial surveillance to precision ground engagement. There it goes, for reliable identification day and night. Now concealed and operational, the SP2 continuously monitors the airspace. Now the M134D engages, saturating the airspace. And a Parrot drone has been deployed on a reconnaissance mission backed up by the foot soldiers from the SER and of course the VBCI vehicle behind. Foot soldiers have been able to invade the village, backed up by the VBCI. A few words about the ROCUS. It's battle proven and has been deployed in Ukraine since 2023. There goes the air hose, the air gun. And also, I don't know whether you can see the rake or hoe tool for grasping, digging and cutting. Staffed by a crew of 4 firefighters, it carries between 3,000 and 4,000 litres of water, along with a 60-litre tank of wetting agents. Ladies and gentlemen, simultaneously the B integrated within the M330 boom. At the top the monitor is engaged. It's designed for high-capacity operations. And in front of us, first up was the Rider from UNAC, followed on the left-hand side by the ROCUS robot from CNIM Systèmes industriels, and behind them are the 2 vehicles from Rheinmetall, the smaller vehicle, the SP2, followed hotly behind by the slightly larger vehicle, the CX-T2, and then again coming on from the right-hand side is the Inkas M1. And behind them you've still got the 2 vehicles from Armoric Holding, the CCFM from CNIM and the BEA-33 from Carnegie. And in front of us we've got the personnel and equipment and vehicles from the SCR with their Tundra drone in front of them. And also the Taurus from Bronco.
Déclassée, parce qu'elle investit beaucoup, mais aussi les Polonais. Là encore, si la France veut tenir leadership en Europe, on ne peut pas être en arrière, il faut se porter en avant. Et donc, j'affirme solennellement que ce sont les chiffres de la communauté. C'est ça le message général. On ne pourra pas avoir une influence demain sur le plan international. On ne pourra pas reprendre le contrôle, y compris en matière de dépenses militaires, si on ne remet pas de l'ordre dans nos affaires. Si on ne remet pas de l'ordre dans nos affaires, eh bien nous resterons et nous subirons les désordres du monde.
Qu'est-ce qui fait anticiper une intensité majeure dans les années qui viennent?
C'est un point qui est décrit dans la revue nationale stratégique. Voilà, chapitre 7.
Dans la profondeur, la division engagera ses lance-roquettes, ses munitions téléopérées et ses drones pour cibler des objectifs à haute valeur ajoutée, tout ce qui est CE, commandement et contrôle, centre logistique, dépôt de munitions.
Sur l'écran, je vous invite à observer le robot terrestre Tech 800. Il est équipé d'une caméra avec grossissement 32. dans la dernière phase de l'offensive. Mesdames et messieurs, notre démonstration est maintenant terminée. Et je laisse la parole au général de corps d'armée Gou, directeur des ressources humaines de l'armée de terre.
Alors, tout d'abord, merci mon général pour cette présentation.
On a les tribunes, s'il vous plaît.